everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Asia. It's evening time here. It's overcast, it's a little bit cloudy. Before we get into the content, I just want to give a shout out to some of my subscribers. Charlie from Indiana, woohoo! Jason from Texas, woohoo! Hope you guys are having a really good day wherever you guys are. Gagan from India, Bo from Detroit. I'm so glad you guys are here. I'm so glad that you guys are part of this community. You know, my whole channel is about giving quick, fast updates, quick, fast news. And, I just want to bring the news and bring the updates and let you guys know what's going on with Doge. Woohoo! Dogecoin to the moon, guys. So, right now we've had, a couple of bad days. Doge has been going down. Right now it's trading around about 32 cents. It's down about 1.7%. So, it could be better, but we're going to get back up there, guys. Bitcoin is now up 3.6%, and it's now at $34,121. So we've had some good news. El Salvador, they've passed a bill that Bitcoin is now a legal tender. So that's fantastic news. So that's why we're seeing Bitcoin now up 3.6%, and so we've also seen that Mexico is now going to enter in a similar kind of bill into their legislature. You can see that article up here. And we have another country, Paraguay, is also going to enter the similar bill as El Salvador. So this is really, I think it's really fantastic news. I think it's great news. Then we're seeing that South American countries are starting to do this now, and then hopefully as we get more of these smaller countries adopted Bitcoin as legal tender, then we'll get larger countries adopted, and then we'll have a full-blown revolution. A revolution is going to happen in the crypto space. So this is really bullish news. I'm psyched. I think it's really good. We've had so much FUD. We've had the Trump FUD, we had China FUD, we had the ransomware FUD, and all of this stuff, and that the whole FBI ransomware recovery. This is now being debunked, and this is all FUD. And it's kind of interesting that this all happened when Bitcoin was about to break out of a descending triangle, and suddenly all this FUD was turned on. It's like some giant, huge conspiracy machine, and just click. Let's flood the markets. Let's shake up the retailers, all those paper hands, and let them start dumping all their Bitcoin, so the whales can swoop in and take it. So this is market manipulation. If we look at the stock to flow charts, we're still on targets, guys. We're still on targets. The bull run is absolutely not over. We're still extremely on target, and I wouldn't worry. Where do I see Dogecoin closing up the end of this week? I think we'll be back up to 41 cent territory, and then I'm hoping that once the U.S. markets open in about 5 hours, that we'll get some news from Elon Musk, because now is 9/6, so we're all been waiting for some big announcement. We've all been leading up to this event, and this could be a critical catalyst to take Doge out of its current consolidation mode, and Doge is trading in a descending triangle. We're above our support of 30 cents right now. We dropped below that earlier today, but we're still well above that, so that's bullish in itself. So guys, don't panic. Everything is just fine. Everything is just okay. Woohoo! Dogecoin to the moon. The fundamentals of Doge are good. We've got this Doge patch that's coming out end of June, so that will reduce transaction fees and increase speed. So that's a good thing, right, guys? So let's stay positive. Let's jump into some of the technicals, and let's look at some of the charts, and then we'll close up from there. All right, guys, let's get into the technicals. Those guys, right now, as you can see that Doge has formed this huge descending triangle, and it's a continuation pattern from the previous descending triangle. We had a bit of a W formation pattern here, then we broke to the upside, and then we've broken all the way down to the downside. So right now Doge is trading at around about 32.5. It's still down over 1% compared to yesterday. So
I think we're going to be range bound in this area for some time. I'm hoping that by Friday we should be able to move out of this area and hopefully hit our next resistance level around here, which is around about 30 cents. So I'm hoping that we can get to the 30 cent price range really soon. So I know a lot of you are getting really tired of this thing just kind of going up, going down. Went up a little bit, got rejected, went all the way down, went below our support. Traded in this area for a while, formed a W pattern, which is a bullish pattern. You can see the W formation here. This is on a 4-hour time frame. Then we had to break out. Then we hit our resistance level up at 43, got rejected, bounced around. We had some FUD happening. Then we had the FUD yesterday, Donald Trump and everything, and that just sent everything tanking. But we were able to maintain our support line here. Which is really positive, so we're maintaining a support line, we're bouncing around. So hopefully if we don't get any more artificial whale manipulated FUD coming out, and Bitcoin I believe has hit bottom, it's capitulated now, we should start to see ourselves rise back to our previous target of 37 cents. And then once we blast that, then we have another target here of 43 cents. And then after that, we have our 49.50 cent target. So guys, don't panic. Don't give up. Don't give up hope yet. I still think this is just a reaction to all the FUD that we've had in the past couple of days. But there's some bullish news, right? El Salvador, Bitcoin is legal tender. We got Mexico, Paraguay jumping in the bandwagon. So I wouldn't worry about it, guys. Diamond hands, of course, guys. Don't panic. Everything is going to be fantastic, right? You guys all seen this, that Vitalik Buterin has made $4.3 million from his 25K investment in Doge. So, Vitalik, he's been holding Doge since 2016. And, he cashed out and gave all of the 4.3 million to charity. But, so he's a Doge. He was into Doge. So I wouldn't worry about it too much, guys. Don't panic. Everything is going to be just peachy. Everything's just going to be fine. All right, guys. So woohoo, Dogecoin to the moon, guys. So I just want to give you a quick tactical look at where we are right now. Basically, there's nothing happening. Hopefully we get that catalyst that's going to come out today from Tesla. And that could send us past this area, but we really need to start breaking past the 34 cent level before we can move up. So, worst case scenario is if you take the top to the bottom of the triangle, we're going to have a breakout to 43 cents. If not, we're probably going to go back down to 21 cents. I don't see that happening. I don't believe it's going to happen. So let's just, diamond hands, keep strong, and don't worry about it.
All right, guys. So hopefully, we had the news from Paraguay, Mexico. They're getting on the bandwagon. Hopefully, the Bitcoin become legal tender and follow El Salvador suit. So that's really bullish news. We just need, Bitcoin to go up. I think Bitcoin's capitulated now. Hopefully, the whales have driven the price down low enough so that they've all bought in, and hopefully we can start seeing a new highs and higher lows. So I think Bitcoin's definitely capitulated. We should, because Dogecoin fundamentals are still absolutely unchanged. Everything is looking fantastic. Diamond hands, guys. We've got this descending triangle. We need to maintain above our support level there. So I think we can do that, and we're looking for a breakout soon. So I think by the end of this week we should be back up to 37-40 cents. I think that's no problem, no brainer. So guys, once again, please support the channel. Smash that like, subscribe right now, guys. Subscribe. A lot of you watch, don't subscribe. Please take the time to subscribe, support the channel, and please check out my links down below. We've got free charting tool. It's free, guys. There's no gimmicks, no nothing. It's free. You can support the channel by buying a coffee. All the coffee goes to orphans here in Vietnam. We're going to collect all the proceeds, and once we hit our threshold, then we're going to make a video of us giving all the proceeds to orphans. So that's a good thing, right, guys? And whatever we generate revenue-wise on the channel from the coffees, I will match that out of my own pocket, and I'll also give that to the orphans as well. So this is a good thing, guys. So help support the channel. I've got merch, so if you want to pick up a t-shirt, cup, hoodie or something, check out my merch. Woohoo, merch, we got merch. All right, guys, so once again, I love all of you guys. I thank you for being on this journey. I'm feeling around about 70% now. The flu is, I'm still a little fluey, but I'm feeling a lot better than I was 8 days ago. So I think the worst is over. So once again, guys, I really appreciate my subscribers. You are my family, my Doge tribe, my Doge army, my family. I really appreciate it, and I really appreciate all of your comments. And those of you that I haven't given a shout out to, remember I got over 32,000 subscribers. I may not have gotten to you all. Please make a comment in bold. Give me a shout out, Daryl, and that way I can see it, because sometimes I got millions of comments and it's hard to go through them all. So if I don't comment and don't get back to you right away, I apologize for that. So remember, it's only just me doing this, and and I got a full-time job too. So anyways, guys, I love you guys to death. Be blessed, be well, love your families. Whatever you're doing, love what you're doing. And if you don't love what you're doing, find something else that you love. Okay? So, guys, I can't wait for the next one. I love it. Smash the like. Be well. Peace out.